Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Fun Things. I am going to attempt to do some baking this morning. I am going to make a cinnamon swirl coffee cake. Oh, yes. Yep. Here's my pan, my cake mix. Something simple looks like. Looks like you need just 1 egg and 2/3 cup water. Some Pam, which I used to have to spray on your snow shovel to help get the snow off your shovel when you're shoveling. It also works great on that. Here's my pan. It's an 8x8, 2.5 inches or 2 3/4 high, whatever. I don't know, but I know it's an 8x8. And so let's get the egg and the cup of water in the mixing bowl. And ta-da! There it is. So there's my 1 egg mix and my water. So just give me a moment to get this mixed up and then we'll come back. Okay, I have my cake mix all mixed up now. Now I just gotta pour a little bit in the pan and then add the cinnamon streusel. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I got my first layer in. Now we're going to add the cinnamon on top of this. So let's do that next. Okay, there's my first layer of cinnamon. Now we'll just add the rest of the batter and then the last part of the cinnamon. So let's do that. And then it will be complete. Be back in a moment. Okay, got the second layer of batter on top of that cinnamon. So all we just have to do is add the rest of the cinnamon swirl on top of the last layer of cake batter. Well, there it is, the final step. The last of the putting the cinnamon swirl on top of the last layer of cake batter. Well, what do you think, everybody? Is that gonna look delicious? I think so. So I just gotta pop it in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes and it will be done. And we'll do a separate video on how it tastes. So wish me luck. I hope it turns out okay. Boy, I can hardly wait to dig into it. I can almost take a bite of it right now, even though it's not baked yet. So there you go. My first coffee cake. Jeff's baking class. Well, anyway, thank you for watching Fun Things and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now until the next piece of cake I make.